Hello everyone, welcome back to Biology Bites. In the previous sessions, we discussed about the pedigree analysis, the clues, and how to identify the genotypes. So today we are studying this pedigree analysis problem solving. So here there are few problems and few MCQ questions. We'll work on that. So coming to the first question. The trait shown in the given pedigree chart is mostly like A or An. Please observe the diagram. So this is the first generation, second generation, third generation. Now, so what happened in the first generation? In the first generation, so you're not observing any affected parents, right? Here, the parents are normal, but in the second generation, the traits have been affected. So that means this first pedigree chart tells about autosomal recessive trait. Got it? Then coming to the second question. In the following human pedigree, the filled symbols represent the affected individuals. Identify the type of given pedigree. Now if you go back to the previous question, so here the parents were not affected, but in the next generation you could see the progeny, either the son or daughter has been affected. So that means the parents, though they are heterozygous in condition, the recessive alleles have been affected. But here, if you observe this parental generation, so here in the first generation, the parents have been affected. And you will see, second hint, you will see the defective genes in every generation. Right? They have not skipped any generation. You're going to observe the defective genes in every generation. So that means this particular pedigree chart represents autosomal dominant. Third question. Study the pedigree chart given below. What does it show? Inheritance of sex-linked inborn error of metabolism like phenylketonuria. Inheritance of a condition like phenylketonuria has an autosomal recessive trait. The pedigree chart is wrong as this is not possible. Inheritance of recessive sex-linked disease like hemophilia. So what does it show? So the first question, we'll take an example of the first question in the similar way. Here also, here the same type of question, but here you can see the parents have not been affected. The parents will be having heterozygous condition. The parents will be having heterozygous condition. That is, the genotypes are heterozygous. So only the recessive alleles have been affected. So it will not be sex linked. It is not sex linked. It is not seen only in the male. It is not seen only in the females. It is not sex linked inheritance. Coming to the third option, the pedigree chart is wrong as this is not possible. No, the pedigree chart is correct. Inheritance of recessive sex linked disease like hemophilia. Right? This is absolutely wrong. So here the answer will be inheritance of condition like phenylketonuria has an autosomal recessive trait. So the answer will be second one. Inheritance of condition like phenylketonuria has an autosomal recessive trait. What is the hint? The hint is that the parents have not been affected. Only the children have been affected. So that means the option will be second one. Coming to the fourth analysis. Study the pedigree chart of a family showing the inheritance of myotonic dystrophy. So myotonic dystrophy. So here the same type myotonic dystrophy. Here what happened in the parental gene? In the parental gene you can see the defective gene, and this defective gene is seen in every generation. It is seen in every generation. So here the X-linked is ruled out. Right? X-linked is ruled out. Recessive Y-linked, that is also ruled out because it is not seen only from father to son. So what will be the option? The option will be third one, autosomal dominant trait. Yeah, right? So hope you have understood all the concepts and we have solved few problems on pedigree chart. Thank you.